Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create Octa Trading account on mobile phone. Octa Trading application helps to create, manage and keep track of trading. To create Octa Trading account, first open your Octa application on your mobile phone. Now, here you can see continue with Google option, Facebook option and your email option. I am going to choose Google. Tap on Google. Then here you can see your Google accounts. Tap on the Google account through which you want to create your Octa account. Then here you'll be guided to the sign up page. Now here you need to share your personal details to get access to Octa's services. First select your country by tapping on the country box. Then tap on the country you belong to. After selecting your country, now here you need to enter your phone number on the given phone number box. After entering your phone number, enter your date of birth on the given box. Then select whether you have experience in trading or not. After doing so, with that, if you are not a US citizen, resident or affiliate, tap on the given box. Now once view through customer agreement and privacy policy, as by creating the account you are agreeing to those terms. Now tap on next step, add down. Here you can see to start trading you can make a deposit. If you want to make deposit, tap on deposit. If you don't, tap on skip for now. Then with that you'll be able to create your Octa Trading account. As you can see here, my account has been created. This is how we can create Octa Trading account on mobile phone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.